Welcome. Today, I'm showing you how to stop the Facebook app on your PC from accessing your camera after the latest update. If you've ever been surprised by a camera prompt or worried about privacy, this quick guide will help you take back control with just a few clicks. First, open the Facebook app on your computer and make sure you're signed in. You'll want to be on the main feed, ready to dive into the settings. Look toward the top of the page and locate the three dots. They're small, but they're your gateway to more options. Click them to reveal a drop-down menu with additional actions. From there, select App Info. This section gathers details about how Facebook interacts with your computer and its hardware. Once you're in App Info, open Settings. You'll find a list of permissions and controls that Facebook can request while you're using the app. Now focus on permissions. This area controls what Facebook can access on your device. Click on More Settings Permissions to expand the options. The next screen will show a row labeled Camera with a toggle or a block option next to it, depending on your version of the app. Next to Camera, choose Block. By selecting Block, you're preventing Facebook from using your PC's webcam. You can repeat this process for other hardware permissions if you're aiming for tighter privacy, such as microphone or location, though today we're keeping the camera focus. If you ever need to reverse this, just return to the same spot and switch the permission back to allow. It's a simple toggle system designed to give you control without uninstalling or drastically changing your setup. A quick tip: after you block the camera, test to confirm the change. Open a video chat or a camera-enabled feature within Facebook and ensure the device prompts you or shows that the camera isn't accessible. This confirms you've successfully tightened the permission. That's all there is to it. A small adjustment in the app's settings can make a big difference in protecting your privacy, especially with frequent app updates. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with friends who value their online safety as well.